Hi. Just letting everyone know that I may not come back from Texas. I may have to stay in Waco forever because I'm able to sit outside at night. It's super warm, not bad humid. Perfect amount of humidity. And there's a thunder and lightning and rainstorm. And I have a tin roof. And I get to look out over there and watch the lightning come and listen to the thunder. I honestly don't know if I can come back. I'm literally obsessed. And this is absolutely my happy place. David, I love you. Peace out. Come visit sometime.